When you sign on to Alex, you will see this screen. First thing you need to notice is over here towards the left, this is the current module that we're in, Functions 1, and there are 47 topics that are due on October 25th. This particular student has 15 completed. So that means that there's a total of 47 and they have 15 done. That would leave 32 left in the next 14 days. So if we divide that by 14, we're looking at about, let's say, 3 a day. So this particular person would need to do about 3 a day in order to do a balanced amount each day and have it completed by October 26th. Okay, the next thing I want to show you over here, it looks like there's a little person with a check mark. If you click on that, that will show you when you'll get your next knowledge check, so you'll know when it's coming up. So for this particular student, once they have done 20 more topics, or in 5 hours, they'll get a knowledge check to see what do they remember and what do they need to repractice. Okay, next thing, let's say we click on Continue My Path. So here's the problem that I am given for homework. If I glance at it, it says find the x and the y-intercept. If it looks like something that you know, then you can just click right here and start the homework, as you all know by now. And then it asks us to find the x-intercept and so on. Well, what I want to show you over here is if we click this little drop-down menu right here, it shows us different topics that we can do. So it's supposed to be easiest to hardest from the left to the right. However, if you remember, we had our module objectives, and we said that there were 47 that we had to do. However, if we do this one and this one, that number of objectives that we have completed, we had 15 done out of 47 in this example student. That 15 will not increase to 16 if we do this problem, this topic, and this problem here. The ones that will count are the ones that have this little symbol that says goal topic. If we complete the ones that say goal topic, then our number of topics that we have completed and our homework grade will go up. It's not that one like this one is not important, it's that it is either an objective that we should have done in the last homework for the last module, or something that they think that we need to know to do the problems that we are currently doing, that's review, but it's not part of the homework problems that are assigned. So keep in mind that you can skip through this. So we could do these ones and get homework points. We could do this one, but we cannot do this middle one here because there's a lock button. It means it's locked. That means that there's stuff before it to the left that we need to do before we can unlock this particular problem. Just as a reminder, as you're completing your Alex homework here, that if as you're doing a problem you have a question, remember that there are videos here on the side that you can watch from the textbook company, as well as you can go to the book page that explains the concept. And then the envelope, it will send me a direct link to the problem you're working on that you are having trouble with. So then you can type me up an email letting me know what you're having trouble with. And then when I reply, it's going to send it to your Aleks account. So make sure to check that in the next day or so. Alright, next thing, let's go ahead and click the home button and go back over here. The other thing I wanted to talk about right here again, it tells us that we are on time goal 8 right now, and in order to get 100% for your time, this particular student needs to spend 2 hours and 50 minutes by Sunday at midnight, it says, to get that homework grade there. Next thing, if we click here at the menu bar, we can click on gradebook. Now remember, this gradebook is only your homework grades for Alex only. So if we look here, algebraic structures was module 5, and this was the grade out of 100 that the student received. And then functions 1, this is the grade that they're going to receive if they don't do any more homework assignments. Then here are the grades that should be transferring into your Canvas gradebook for your time goals. Now this is just a made up student that I have, that's why the grades are so low here. Now if we click back at the menu bar over here, we can click on textbook and click on ebook, and that is our class textbook that goes along with Alex. So if there's something you want more explanation of, you can search the ebook. Like if we wanted to practice graphing, we can type in graphing, and then we can click on the topic that sounds like what we want to work on, and it will take us to that section of the textbook with further explanation. And there's also examples, and the nice thing too with it being an ebook is you can click on the little icons and it will take you to a lecture of a video and graphics and things like that.